One of the questions I get asked most often is, how do I generate content with AI, ChatGPT, Bard, whatever, and have it not be detectable as AI generated content? There's a lot of debate as to whether or not Google will penalize you and you'll fall further down in search results when you're trying to optimize your site for search engines. I don't know exactly what Google will penalize you for, but sure, you want to make sure that your content looks like human generated content and not garbage generated content. So there's a few different ways you can do that. So I'm just going to show you an example of what a regular ChatGPT blog post looks like about affiliate marketing. And we're going to see what it looks like. I'm going to use a couple of different AI detectors just to see what the probability comes up as. And then we'll go and we will check out a couple of different techniques that you can use to bring that probability down to near zero. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to copy this blog post that ChatGPT created for us. And I'm going to drop it into copy leaks first. AI content detected, not surprising. So 82.9% probability for AI. So that's pretty high. So as you can see, this one says human probability is only 1%. So that's a 99% chance that this content was generated by AI. So that's not good. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this article and we are going to ask ChatGPT. This is probably one of the easiest ways. You can literally just ask ChatGPT to rewrite it so that it's not detectable as AI. So what this is going to do is it's going to change some of the words around and it's going to not use its normal probability and predictability in terms of choosing the appropriate words. So we're going to copy this and we're going to try again. We'll do another check. And as you can see, just by simply asking ChatGPT, that same blog post is now human text. So human probability is 87%, highly likely to be human. Now, as you can see, you watched me generate this text with ChatGPT, but simply asking it, can you rewrite this blog post so that it is not detectable as AI generated content, is your easiest method for generating content with AI that does not look like it was generated by AI. So I'm going to give you another method, which is one of my personal favorites because I like to, give it more of a human-like feel. I have a couple of authors that I really like, one of them being Mark Manson. He's a little gritty, very direct, straightforward, likes to use some foul language in his blog posts. So you can actually do the same thing. You can take this original blog post up here and we will just copy this. And I will say, can you please rewrite this blog post in the style of, and you can use whatever author you want. You can even use your own blog posts or any of your own writings. I think usually about 500 to 1,000 characters is probably good for ChatGPT to be able to mimic your writing style. So as you can see, it basically took our original blog post and it rewrote it in the style of Mark Manson. So I'm going to just copy this and we're going to go back to our copy leaks. We're just going to refresh here. Go ahead and paste this in. We'll do a check. This is human text. We'll go back to the other one here. Do a little refresh. Check for AI content. 100% chance that this was written by a human. So there you go. We've faked out a couple of the different AI detectors. You can try this on whatever ones you want. If you run into any issues or if you have any questions or if you think this is really cool, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.